Hey, paper crafting friends. Thanks for tuning in to see who won the December 2020 Kiwi Club Kit giveaway. So if you came on to the channel of myself, Annis, Marissa, or Sandy and made a comment on the December 2020 videos, then you are entered in to win a template set of your choice. So I am going to go through and start grabbing those comments, and we will see who our lucky winner is this time. So I just need to pull the address of each one of those videos, and we can get going. So this was the video that I posted. Okay, oh, there we go. So I had 17 comments on mine. So I can come down here and we'll get our first name for the wheel of names. So Regina Goodman, thank you for that sweet comment. You are going into the wheel of names for my video. And let's go grab another address. So this is going to be Annis's video. We'll get that one entered. And I did notice we didn't have quite as many viewers this time. I think the holiday made it a little busy for everybody, but Annis had 10 comments on her video. And we do appreciate every one of you that stops by to listen. Ooh, Regina, nice. You are the random comment on Annis's channel as well. It pays to spread your love around a little bit. Okay, let's get the next one. I'm going to go to Marissa's and get her video address. Sorry for all the back and forth, you guys. I know it's a little hard to watch. That's how it works. All righty, so she had 11 comments on her video. Let's see who's, all right, April Campbell is the commenter that goes into the wheel of names. Congratulations for making it to this point, April. And I'll get that last one. This is from Sandy. And I know we're starting to talk about January, so always come back and go through those videos each month. All right, Sandy had 11 comments on her video. Let's see who else's name's going in the wheel. Ah, Debbie Blodgett. Awesome. Checking out that file folder album. All right, so Debbie, here we go, you guys. I'm gonna spin. Let's see who the winner is. Ah, Debbie Blodgett, congratulations. This month. So that'll be easy because Debbie lives in a neighboring town. So again, thank you for your support, everybody, and we will see you soon with some more videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.